Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to everyone who's watching this video. My name is NURUL ERIENA SOFEA binti RIDUAN and you can call me ERIENA, and I am from AS120110 Group 10. So today I'll be presenting about the periodic table of elements. So let's start. So what is periodic table? Periodic table arranges chemical elements by atomic number from hydrogen, which is atomic number 1, to organism, which is atomic number 118. Atomic number is the count of protons in an atom's nucleus. So what do periodic table group have in common? Periodic table has columns numbered from 1 to 18 and each column is called a group. Elements in the same group have similar properties because they have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. So, where does periodic table come from? Periodic table's layout is based on the electronic configuration of elements. Due to the Pauli exclusion principle, only two electrons can occupy a single orbital. The first row contains two elements, which is hydrogen and helium. As atoms gain more electrons, they have more orbital to fill, so lower rows in the table have more elements. So if you're wondering why does periodic table split? The periodic the periodic table has two rows at the bottom that are usually split out from the main body of the table. These rows contain elements in the lanthanide and actinide series, usually from number of proton 57 to 71, which is lanthanum to lutetium, and 89 to 103, which is actinium to lawrencium, respectively. There is no specific reason for this. It is merely done to make the table more compact. So if you look at this is the periodic table that we are talking about. So basically the vertical one is what we call it as a group, and we have 18 group in total. Element of group 1. Group 1 of the periodic table is also known as the alkali metal group, and it includes the element found in the first column of the periodic table. Starting with hydrogen at the top and moving down to the bottom, we have francium. So basically, elements of group 1 are highly reactive. So we typically store it under oil or inert gases to prevent them from reacting with moist or air. Moving on to the element of group 17. Group 17 in chemistry are called as halogen. In this group 17, we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and STP. These groups are highly reactive nonmetals forming salt with metals. Reactivity increases down the group. Fluorine mostly, and acetone is the least one. So halogens find use in disinfectant, water treatment, chemistry, and are essential in biology. These elements are characterized by their tendency to readily gain one electron to achieve a full outer electron shell, making them highly reactive. Element in period 3. Period 3 is the periodic table is the third row of elements, and it includes elements from sodium, which is Na, to argon. These elements display a wide range of physical and chemical properties due to their varying atomic structure. So period 3 highlights the periodic trend of changing properties across a period and is a fundamental concept in understanding the behavior of elements in the periodic table. So moving on to element of group 18. Group 18, often referred as noble gases group. and it includes the element found in the 18th column or group of the periodic table. The noble gases are known for their unique properties and are all gases at room temperature. So basically, um, we do use some elements of group 18 in our daily life. For example, um, we use lights in our daily life. So basically, inside the light bulb, we have an element which is argon, and if you have a camera such as DSLR camera, and inside the camera we have a flash, and inside the flash we have a chemical which is xenon. And if you go to some cafe or store, um, if they have a light which is LED light, um, inside the light we have a neon, which is one of the elements inside the group 18. So, in conclusion, the periodic table is a crucial tool in chemistry, organizing elements by atomic number and properties. It reveals patterns, aiding in predictions or element behavior. It underscores the importance of electron configurations and values electrons in understanding reactivity and bonding, serving as a fundamental cornerstone in chemistry. So, um, I think that's all from me. If yeah, thank you for listening about my experience of periodic table of elements. So, thank you. Bye.